You've made the decision. You're going to start investing. You know what to buy. Those simple, powerful index funds we've been talking about. You open up your brokerage account, you buy your first ETF, and you're done. Right? Not so fast. What if I told you there's a secret wrapper you can put around your investments? A special container that could be worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of extra dollars by the time you retire? This isn't a scam. It's not a complex product. It's not some crypto scheme. It's a feature of the tax code, designed specifically to help you build wealth. It's simply understanding where to hold your investments to protect them from taxes. Today, we're demystifying the most powerful wealth-building tools you have: retirement accounts. We're breaking down the Roth IRA versus the 401k so you can confidently choose the right one for you. Let's start with the big idea: tax advantages. When you invest in a normal taxable brokerage account, you pay taxes on your gains. You get a dividend? You pay tax. You sell a stock for a profit? You pay tax. Retirement accounts are different. They give you a massive tax break. There are two main types. Type 1. Pay taxes later. This is your traditional 401k and traditional IRA. You put money in before it gets taxed, which lowers your income taxes today. Your investments grow and compound for decades tax-free. Then, when you retire and pull the money out, you pay taxes on it. Type 2. Pay taxes now. This is your Roth IRA and Roth 401k. You put money in after it's been taxed. Your investments grow and compound for decades tax-free. And when you retire, you pull the money out and it is 100% completely tax-free. Let's make this super simple with an example. Imagine you invest $1,000. It grows for 30 years and becomes $20,000. In the pay taxes later, traditional 401k, you get a tax break on the $1,000 today. But when you retire, that entire $20,000 is taxed as income. In the pay taxes now Roth IRA, you pay your normal income tax on that $1,000. But when you retire, that $20,000 is all yours. No taxes. Ever. You're paying taxes on the small seed, not the massive harvest. Both are amazing. But let's look at the most common one first. The 401k. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. This is a benefit offered by your company. You sign up and a portion of your paycheck is automatically deducted and invested. The most common form is the traditional 401k, which is that pay taxes later model. The contribution goes in pre-tax, reducing your taxable income right now. But the single most important feature of a 401k is two magic words: employer. Match. This is the closest thing to free money you will ever get. Many companies will match your contributions up to a certain percentage. A common match is 100% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. Let me be crystal clear. If your company offers this, you must contribute at least enough to get the full match. Not doing so is literally throwing away free money. It's a 100% instant, guaranteed return on your investment. Nothing in the stock market can beat that. The 401k also has very high contribution limits. In 2025, it's $23,000 per year, not including the employer match. So, what are the pros? The employer match is unbeatable. You get an immediate tax break, which is great if you're in a high tax bracket. And the high contribution limits let you save a lot, fast. What are the cons? Well, first, your investment options are usually limited to a small menu of funds chosen by your employer. You can't just buy any stock or ETF you want. You might be stuck with 10 or 20 mutual funds, and some of them might have high fees. Second, there are withdrawal restrictions. You generally can't touch this money until age 59 and a half without paying a big 10% penalty on top of the regular income tax. And finally, you have to pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. Now, let's talk about my personal favorite, the Roth IRA. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Arrangement. You open this account on your own, at any brokerage. The Roth IRA is the pay taxes now model. You fund it with your after-tax dollars. And in exchange, you get the single greatest deal in the entire tax code. Your money grows completely, 100% tax-free, forever. When you retire and withdraw that money, you pay $0 in tax. If your Roth IRA grows to $1 million, you get to keep all $1 million. This is incredibly powerful. You're paying taxes on the seed, your small initial contributions, instead of the harvest, your massive future nest egg. The Roth IRA also has a few other amazing perks. First, and this is a big one, you can withdraw your contributions, not the earnings, at any time for any reason with no tax or penalty. Let's say you've put $10,000 into your Roth IRA over 3 years, and it's grown to $12,000. If you have a major emergency, you can pull out that original $10,000 you put in and pay nothing. This gives it incredible flexibility, making it a powerful backup to your emergency fund. Second, for the original owner, there are no required minimum distributions, RMDs, meaning you are never forced to take the money out if you don't want to. You can let it grow and pass it on. What are the cons? Well, you don't get an immediate tax break today, and the contribution limits are much lower than a 401k. In 2025, it's $7,000 per year. There are also income limits. If you earn too much money, over a certain threshold set by the IRS, you can't contribute directly to a Roth IRA, though there is a legal workaround for high earners called a backdoor Roth IRA, which is a more advanced topic. So, what about the traditional IRA? This is just an individual version of the traditional 401k. You might get a tax break today on your contributions. But the rules are complicated. If you also have a 401k at work, your ability to deduct traditional IRA contributions is phased out at a much lower income level. Your money grows tax-deferred, and you pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. This is a good option if you don't have a 401k at work, or if your 401k has terrible investment options and high fees. Okay, that was a lot. 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA. What do you actually do? Let me give you a simple, powerful strategy that works for almost every beginner. Here is the Invelezting order of operations. Step 1. Contribute to your 401k just enough to get the full employer match. Do not pass go. Do not invest anywhere else until you do this. It is free money. Find out your company's match and set your contribution. Step 2. After you've secured the match, move to a Roth IRA. Open a Roth IRA at a low-cost brokerage. Contribute as much as you can until you hit the annual limit, e.g., $7,000. This builds your tax-free nest egg, which will be incredibly valuable in retirement. Most financial experts recommend this step because tax rates are historically low, so paying taxes now is likely a good bet. Step 3. If you are lucky enough to have more money to invest after maxing out your Roth IRA, go back to your 401k. Increase your contribution percentage and try to max it out, up to the $23,000 limit. This is how you really supercharge your savings. Now, a couple of quick what-ifs. What if my company offers a Roth 401k? This is the best of both worlds. It's the pay taxes now Roth structure, but with the high contribution limits of a 401k. If you have this option, it's a fantastic choice. What if I'm self-employed? You don't have a 401k, but you have even better options. You can open a SEP IRA or a solo 401k, which let you contribute much more. That's a topic for another video, but know that you have great choices. The most important thing is to just start. Don't let confusion stop you. Don't let paralysis by analysis keep you from investing. Choosing between a Roth or traditional account is good, but choosing to invest is what's critical. Start today. Open the account, automate your contributions. Even $50 a month in a Roth IRA will grow into a powerful tax-free safety net over time. You now know what to invest in, index funds, and where to put them, retirement accounts. You have the foundation. The next step is to put it all into action. You are building a machine that will one day pay you to be free. If this video helped clear up the confusion, do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for more simple, no-hype investing advice. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your retirement savings strategy? Are you Team 401k or Team Roth IRA? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.